I'm Judy Reese-Morse, President and CEO of the Urban League, and we are here to officially open the Big Health event. Today, we will share all of the details of this first ever Big Health event, a unique health and wellness experience created for the community. Today, you'll hear why the Big Health event is important to the Urban League. You'll hear from our presenting sponsor, Ochsner Health, sponsors Louisiana Healthcare Connections and Aetna Better Health, and from some of our partners and presenters. We are all here today to send a powerful message that the health and wellness of the community is a top priority, and that we want to do our part to create an environment filled with health and wellness information, opportunities, and access. Health equity is a top priority for the Urban League of Louisiana. Many saw during the pandemic what the Urban League has known for decades. There are significant health disparities that separate African Americans and other communities of color from their white counterparts. The results of these disparities not only impact communities of color, but also negatively impact the economy for this region and for the state. Too many African Americans contract serious diseases from preventable and treatable diseases due to a lack of information, access, and the affordability of quality health care. According to the U.S. Office of Minority Health, African Americans are generally at higher risk for heart disease, stroke, cancer, asthma, influenza and pneumonia, diabetes, and HIV/AIDS. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says that African Americans are living with diseases that are typically more common at older ages for other races. And the Annie E. Casey Foundation's 2022 Kids Count Data Book ranks Louisiana 49th in children's health and overall well-being. It's clear that the New Orleans region and the state of Louisiana cannot reach its full potential if these health inequities continue. It's time to change this, and that's what the Big Health event is all about. The Big Health event will offer health screenings, movement, a kids zone, fitness and yoga training, a main stage with candid conversation panel discussions, the Ochsner Career Cafe, the Urban League Workforce and Small Business Workshops and Support, healthy cooking demonstrations, information on disease prevention, appearances by New Orleans Pelicans players Herb Jones and Jose Alvarado, the Saints and Pelicans mascots and cheer crews, STEM NOLA activities, uniform vouchers, free school supplies and backpacks, free clothing from Thrive Cares, a division of Thrive New Orleans, and vendor participation. An inaugural effort of this scale would not be possible without the support of sponsors that are committed to health equity and to closing the gaps that exist in our community. The Urban League would like to express tremendous thanks to the Big Health event's presenting sponsor, Ochsner Health, for its investment in the Big Health event and its public commitment to addressing health inequities in Louisiana. Sonny LaBeouf, Assistant Vice President for Public Affairs and Community Affairs, is here this morning representing Ochsner. We are also grateful to our sponsors, Louisiana Healthcare Connections and Aetna Better Health Louisiana, for their tremendous support of the Big Health event. We have with us this morning Dr. Madeline Main, Chief Medical Officer with Aetna Better Health Louisiana. We will invite both of them to offer brief remarks and to come in that order, please.
Hello, and thank you, Judy. Thank you to the Urban League. We are so honored and privileged to partner with you on this very important initiative, the Big Health event. We are thrilled that we are able to take a leadership role in working to improve health outcomes in the state of Louisiana. The Big Health event will be a wonderful event on Saturday from 10 to 4 Hall J in the Convention Center, where we will offer health screenings, a movement zone with workout opportunities and fitness trainers, a culinary zone with chefs demonstrating healthy cooking recipes. It will be a fun-filled opportunity for the entire family. We know that health and wellness is important, and we want to be a part of improving health equity and health outcomes in our city, in our community, and in our state. For Ochsner, this event is so very important because our vision is to inspire healthier lives and stronger communities, and this is certainly a part of that important work. As part of our Healthy State Initiative, we are seeking to be a catalyst in improving the state's health ranking. Currently, we are 50th in the state of Louisiana. Through our partnership with Urban League and others, we are looking to collaborate in improving health equity and access throughout the state of Louisiana. 2 years ago, Ochsner announced its Healthy State Initiative out of necessity, and COVID demonstrated that health inequities do exist within African American communities and within our community in Louisiana. And we are glad to be a part of working toward identifying solutions along with our partners. My colleagues will share more with you about Ochsner Health offerings, but the Big Health event will go a step further than simply addressing health and wellness, because we know that there are economic factors that also impact health outcomes. And so Ochsner will be present at the event with a career cafe offering where we will share information about healthcare opportunities at Ochsner Health. We, again, want to be a part of the solution. We are committed to ensuring improved public health and economic outcomes for all people. We are so grateful to be a part of this wonderful event, and we are looking forward to a great time on Saturday focused on health and wellness. Thanks so very much.
Hello, excuse me. Good morning. Thank you so much to Judy and the Urban League for inviting Aetna Better Health of Louisiana here. Thank you for our wonderful other sponsors for including Aetna Better Health in this great event. We're looking forward to a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend full of events and activities, really focused on education and understanding of what health equity is and how to actually solve for those root cause analysis problems. Social determinants of health is a main focus of Aetna Better Health of Louisiana, and we look forward to working with all of our partners in the community and our providers to help resolve some of these inequities and some of these issues that really are the cause of some of these disparities within the state. Thank you so much for including us. We look forward to a good weekend.
Thank you again to Ochsner Health, to Aetna Better Health, and also Louisiana Healthcare Connections for their sponsorship of the Big Health event. We also have extraordinary partners who are with us today to help make this event possible. Our partners include the Louisiana Department of Health, the New Orleans Saints and Pelicans, Verizon, WWL-TV, WGNO-TV, Fox 8 TV, NORD-C, New Orleans and Company, and many, many other community organizations that have helped to get the word out about the Big Health event. We thank you so much, and we appreciate your support. Now let's get to some of the experts and the participants that will be at the Big Health event on Saturday, September 17th. I'm going to read the names and invite them up to offer brief remarks and ask them to come in this order. Dr. Derek Cooper, Ochsner Health Screenings, Serene Mbai, Dakar Nola, Gabby Maurer with Ochsner Health Movement, Cherie Duckworth with Urban League of Louisiana Workforce Development, Classy Duncan, Urban League of Louisiana Entrepreneurship and Innovation, Ajax Jackson with Magnolia Yoga Studio, Davlin Marshall with Drive Sports Performance, and Lawrence Jackson with STEM NOLA. We'll start with Dr. Cooper.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Derek Cooper, and I am an emergency medicine physician at Ochsner. I want to thank the Urban League for having me here in support of this great, fantastic event. I've worked tirelessly with Dr. Laborde on this event because we understand the importance of public health and what preventative medicine means to our community. I've taken care of countless patients in the emergency room with the understanding that despite we provide great care in the emergency room, there are external factors that go beyond the walls of the hospital that affect healthcare, whether it mean income, access to healthcare, transportation, health literacy, or even overall education. So this event provides a great way to bridge that gap between the doors of the emergency room or even the hospital overall and the communities that we actually operate in. While there, I'll be helping to provide screening tests for high blood pressure, diabetes, HIV, and STIs, to just name a few of the screening tests we'll be incorporating. I'm very excited about the event, and I look forward to seeing everyone there as well. Take care.
Serene.
Good morning. My name is Serene Mabe. I'm a Senegalese chef here in New Orleans. I'm excited for this Urban League event happening this Saturday. I will be cooking Senegalese and Creole influenced food and showing people how to cook healthy food, how to shop local farmers market, what you should look for when you go to local grocery stores, and how cooking could be very fun and enjoyable. So I'm looking forward to this event and I can't wait to see y'all Saturday. Thank y'all.
So good morning. Thank you so much for the invitation to be part of this program. I was extremely excited, and our team was excited to hear we were invited to support. We have Ochsner Fitness Center, Ochsner Performance Center, and also our Elevate Medical Spa Clinic will be available. So this will be the fun area where you would come to exercise and learn about the different type of exercise you can do, regardless of your weight, your age, or all your abilities. So come over. We're going to do events, different classes every 30 minutes. We are actually creating a gym fitness atmosphere at the event where we'll be bringing our spinning bikes, we'll be bringing rowing machines, so you will be doing an actual workout every 30 minutes. In addition to that, super important to learn about your in-body. So we'll be doing skin analysis, and we'll be doing in-body readings as well to kind of learn, to teach you where is the range where you need to be. And we'll be here to guide you through and coach you. So thank you so much. We're excited.
Great morning, everyone. I am Cherie LaCour Duckworth, the Urban League of Louisiana's Office of Workforce Development Vice President. We are so excited to be a part of this event, and I'll say this, a healthy workforce is a working workforce. My office, the Office of Workforce Development, is going to deploy our staff at the event to help career seekers who are in need of resume critiquing, mock interview sessions, and direct connections to employment. We're working directly with Ochsner in the career zone, and we ask that you come. If you are working age and are looking for employment, we are looking forward to working with you at the career event. Thank you.
Madam Duncan.
Good morning. Again, I'm Classy Duncan. I serve as the Vice President for the Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation at the Urban League of Louisiana. We are thrilled. We are so excited about this Saturday. I have a special invitation to our small business owners because what we know here at the Urban League of Louisiana for sure is that there is no conversation around health equity without talking about equitable economic development. And so we are in the business of ensuring that our small businesses get access to public and private contracting opportunities, and we support them by providing counseling, training, and access to opportunities like funding, like marketing and accounting resources. We are in the business of small business development. We are in the business of working with our small business community and getting access to the resources that we know that they need to be successful. And that's two things primarily. In this space, when we talk about health equity, we want to first make sure that our small businesses understand the value of being healthy and being, able to create small businesses, not just the ones that last, while they're here, but less beyond themselves. And so we want to make sure that our small businesses are healthy, that they're thriving, and they're creating businesses, again, that create generational wealth. The other piece around economic development, we want to make sure, and that's why we've worked with Ochsner Supply Diversity to make sure that we're connecting our small businesses to contracting opportunities. But we won't stop there. Right? So on Saturday, we will be delivering some workshops around best practices in corporate contracting. So I'm expecting that our small businesses will be there, will show up on Saturday, not only to participate in the health screenings, participate in the career zone and the workforce zone, but also making sure that our small businesses participate and come to learn about best practices in corporate contracting. So we're looking forward to seeing you all there. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Ajax and I'm the owner of Magnolia Yoga Studio. And I want to thank Urban League, I want to thank Ochsner for inviting us. This is a momentous occasion to have yoga and meditation on the platform as an alternative, as a complement to people's health and wellness. We've been doing this good work at 301 Basin Street for 6 years, and now we get a chance to really promote it and show it to all of the city, and we're really excited about it. We're, in alignment with things like what the doctor said. Yoga and meditation help prevent a lot of things. We're also in alignment with what Ms. Classy said, yes to generational wealth, but yes to also generational health. And so we'll be speaking to people about how they can do this with us. I'll be on a panel talking about body positivity because yoga is about mind and body. And I'll also be teaching 2 yoga sessions so people can actually experience movement, breath, and, representation. We are the first Black-owned yoga studio in Louisiana, and we are African-American owned as well as we operate. All of our teachers are African-American. So trying to normalize meditation, yoga, and make it accessible. Thank you so much.
Excuse me. Good morning, everyone. Davlin Marshall here, owner of Drive Sports Performance here in New Orleans. I'd like to thank Judy and Ochsner and everyone involved in this big event that we have going on this Saturday. I provide personal training for ages as young as 7 all the way up to 80. We work with athletes, we work with moms, dads, anybody that's looking really to get a hold and control of their body. I'll be available for consultations and also for workouts on this Saturday. So again, thank you and see you guys on Saturday.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Lawrence Jackson, Special Assistant to the CEO at STEMNOLA. And on behalf of Dr. Calvin Mackey, our CEO, and our co-founder, Tracy Mackey, we thank the Urban League and Ochsner for inviting STEMNOLA to the table. We certainly have been engaged in this work now for the last 9 years, but we've engaged over 100,000 young people, now internationally. So certainly we believe in our mission, which is to expose, engage, and inspire young people in STEM. And we're going to attack this thing from the opposite end, right? We're starting with the kids because research has shown that the earlier you get young people involved, the earlier that they can begin to formulate the possibilities in their minds. So STEMNOLA is bringing to the table a series of STEM exhibits as well as hands-on activities that are going to be deployed here at the event on Saturday. These include virtual reality, where students will be able to engage the heart virtually. This includes 3D printing. We'll have a maker space where the kids will make their own model lung. We'll teach them a little bit about that as well. They'll be engaging some chemistry activities, some sound activities, and basically we're going to also ultimately end up with our crown jewel, which is a drone cage. We know that 21st century technologies are in use even in healthcare. So certainly we're bringing out our drone cage to give our kids hands-on experience in learning how to manipulate and fly those drones, which has applications in healthcare as well. So we're excited about the opportunity, and we want to thank everyone and thank all of these great community partners as well for partnering with us in this effort as we attempt to engage the community. Thank you.
I'm so pleased to be able to bring someone very special to the Urban League of Louisiana to the podium. She is a vice president with the Centene Corporation, but she's also the former president and CEO of the Urban League of Louisiana. Once an Urban Leaguer, always an Urban Leaguer, and we can count on her for her support. She is also a sponsor of the Big Health event. Please welcome Erica McConduit.
Thank you, Judy. We are so thrilled to be a partner. As Judy said, I have the privilege of leading diversity, equity, and inclusion at Centene Corporation, where we serve 1 in every 15 Americans. At Louisiana Healthcare Connections, we insure over 500,000 people across the state. It is critically important that we continue to partner with Urban League, with Ochsner, all of our friends and community partners and providers around the state, but particularly in the greater New Orleans metro area, where we see some of the highest disparities throughout the state. So we're excited to be here, to be a sponsor. We're encouraging all of your families, friends, neighbors, go out, pick up people, encourage them to come. There's so many services. I'm excited about the event. We'll be there with my family. So excited to be a partner, excited to be a sponsor, and look forward to seeing you all on Saturday.
All right, everyone, you have heard about the Big Health event. As you can see, the people that are here, and there are many, many others that are not here with us today, that are in support of the Big Health event. And by supporting the Big Health event, you are really supporting health equity in Louisiana. And we understand well here at the Urban League of Louisiana that once we're able to start to close these disparity gaps, we will be able to be one of the strongest states in this country. And so it begins on Saturday at the Montreal Convention Center. You've heard it, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., free parking in Lot F. So you have no excuse not to come and bring your family, bring your friends. The event is going to take place in Hall J, which is directly across the street from Lot F, so you don't have far to walk. When you come, you will experience more than you can imagine, all in one space, and we're incredibly excited about that. We are asking that you register. It is not too late to register, so that when you arrive, you can get in quickly. Again, so many offerings that we have put together for the community. So go to the Urban League's website, urbanleaguela.org, to register, and let us know if you're coming. Let us know how many people you're bringing with you, how many kids are going to be coming with you, and there are still a few slots for some health screenings remain. And if you're interested in requesting that health screening, you can let us know that as well. I also want to mention we've got a very unique challenge happening. It's called the We Represent Challenge. If you are with a nonprofit organization, if you're with a church, if you're with a school or a university, we've got a long list of organizations. We want you to pre-register and tell us that, because we're going to be providing health and wellness incentives to the organizations that have the largest number of people in attendance. So this is also an opportunity to think beyond the 17th. This is an opportunity for you to win a prize for your organization so that your organization can continue to prioritize health and wellness. Again, all of this can be found along with all of the speakers, all of the offerings, all of the activities, as well as a full schedule from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on the Urban League's website, urbanleaguela.org. Let me finally give some special thanks to folks on the Urban League of Louisiana team that have helped to make this enormous event possible. This is the inaugural event, and it could not have happened without Kathy Washington, Gilma Pavon, Jonathan Barnes, Tyrone Walker, Cherie Duckworth, Classy Duncan, Todd Batiste, John West, Tyron Trong, Cynthia Harris, and many other of our urban leaguers here in the movement. Thank you so much. We appreciate you so much, and we look forward to seeing everyone on Saturday. Are there any questions? Going once, going twice. We'll see everyone on Saturday. Thank you.